Hello all, a warm greetings to everyone. We, Dr. J. Janet, Dr. S. Balakrishnan, Dr. P. Kavitarani and Dr. A. Padma, the team Shanaya, representing Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Kuniyamuttur, Coimbatore, have a great pleasure in presenting delicious, nutritious and healthy recipes by incorporating millets and amla flakes in our regular diets. Let's see how to make vitality cookies. So the ingredients are finger millet flour, koda millet flour, barnyard millet flour, little millet flour, foxtail millet flour, pearl millet flour, wheat flour, millet flakes, amla flakes, jaggery powder, shortening, baking powder. Firstly, we have to sieve the dry powders and mix it well after adding baking powder. Take some amount of butter in a plate, spread it little and add jaggery powder to it and grip it until it reaches fluffy consistency. Then add dry powders to it and mix it well. These cookies are great sources of fibers and minerals like calcium, iron and vitamin B. Now add millet flakes and amla flakes to the mixture and make it to dough consistency. And flatten the dough over the plate and use cookie shapers to cut them out and bake it in the oven at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Cookies are ready to serve. We, the team Shanaya, are super happy in sharing these healthy and delicious recipes with you all. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Eat healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you.